In the world of luxury automobiles, few names carry the same weight and prestige as Rolls Royce. Synonymous with elegance, craftsmanship, and timeless sophistication, Rolls Royce has always stood at the pinnacle of automotive excellence. But for 2026, the brand is venturing into a realm it has never fully conquered before, the ultra-luxury motorhome segment. And this is not just any motorhome. This is a Rolls Royce reimagined as a palace on wheels, a seamless fusion of automotive engineering, advanced technology, and first-class living that promises to change the way we think about road travel forever. The Rolls Royce Motorhome 2026 is more than just transportation, it's a statement of ultimate freedom and luxury. Designed for the world's most discerning travelers, it embodies the philosophy of effortless everywhere, the idea that no matter where the road takes you, your environment remains as opulent, comfortable, and refined as the grandest of five-star hotels. The first thing that strikes you about this creation is its sheer presence. Measuring over 12 meters in length and designed with unmistakable Rolls-Royce DNA, the motorhome blends classic British craftsmanship with modern, sculptural lines. The signature Pantheon grille sits proudly at the front, flanked by laser LED headlamps that provide a futuristic yet elegant face. The iconic Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament glides forward as if leading a royal procession, while the two-tone paintwork, deep chrome accents, and subtle coach lines hand-painted by Rolls-Royce artisans elevate the exterior beyond anything else in the RV world. The chassis itself has been engineered from the ground up, using lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber composites for strength and efficiency. Under the hood, Rolls-Royce has equipped the motorhome with a newly developed hybrid powertrain, a twin-turbocharged V12 paired with a high-capacity electric drive system. This setup produces a staggering 900 horsepower while delivering a near-silent, vibration-free ride, exactly as you'd expect from Rolls-Royce. Despite its massive size and power, the 2026 motorhome glides down the highway with grace and composure, supported by an advanced adaptive air suspension system that reads the road ahead and adjusts in real time for a perfectly smooth ride. It's a vehicle that doesn't just move, it floats. But it's when you step inside that the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 truly redefines the concept of luxury travel. The interior isn't just designed, it's curated, crafted like a bespoke yacht or a private jet. Every surface is wrapped in the finest materials known to man: buttery soft leather from heritage tanneries, open-pore walnut and ebony wood veneers, hand-polished aluminum trim, and even silk-lined ceiling panels embroidered with bespoke constellations of fiber-optic starlight. It's an environment designed to soothe the senses, combining timeless craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology in a way that feels both futuristic and familiar. The layout is spacious and flexible, designed to feel like a high-end apartment on wheels. At the front is the cockpit, a masterpiece of design and innovation. The steering wheel is wrapped in hand-stitched leather and accented with mother-of-pearl inlays. The dashboard features a minimalist glass interface with haptic feedback and augmented reality navigation that projects directly onto the windshield. Voice-activated controls and AI-driven assistants manage everything from climate settings to driving modes, allowing the driver to focus entirely on the journey ahead. Moving back, the living space opens up into a lounge that rivals any luxury penthouse. Plush seating with massage and recline functions is arranged around a retractable crystal coffee table. Hidden within the cabinetry is a 75-inch 8K OLED display paired with a 360-degree sound system tuned by Rolls-Royce audio engineers. Whether you're watching a movie, holding a virtual meeting, or simply enjoying the view through the panoramic electrochromic windows, the experience is immersive and deeply relaxing. The motorhome is also equipped with a full suite of smart connectivity features: 6G satellite internet, holographic telepresence communication, and adaptive ambient lighting that changes based on your mood or time of day. The kitchen is a culinary dream, designed for both convenience and gourmet cooking. Equipped with induction surfaces, a hidden refrigerator, wine cellar, and even a built-in espresso bar, it transforms meal preparation into an art form. Every drawer glides open silently with a gentle touch, and every appliance is seamlessly integrated into the cabinetry, preserving the clean, elegant aesthetic. Adjacent to the kitchen, a formal dining area with seating for four transforms into a conference table at the touch of a button, ideal for travelers who blend business with pleasure. The sleeping quarters are perhaps the most remarkable part of the interior. The master suite features a king-sized bed with memory gel cushioning, wrapped in Egyptian cotton linens and framed by handcrafted wood paneling. Ambient lighting mimics the phases of the moon to encourage natural sleep cycles, while the room's sound-insulated design ensures complete tranquility. There's even a private balcony that extends out